Welcome to the Coverage Counsel, where we make insurance simple. I'll explain auto insurance and what every driver in the U.S. needs to know. Car insurance isn't just a legal requirement in most states. It's financial protection. It helps cover damages to your vehicle, medical expenses, and even the costs if someone else gets hurt. Without it, one accident could cost thousands of dollars. Most auto insurance policies include several coverage types. Liability coverage pays for damage or injury you cause to others. Collision coverage covers damage to your own car from an accident. Comprehensive coverage protects against theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Personal injury protection, PIP, or medical payments covers medical bills. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage protects you if the other driver doesn't have enough insurance. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. A higher deductible usually means lower monthly premiums, but more upfront costs if something happens. Your premium is what you pay regularly for coverage. It depends on factors like driving history, car model, and location. Want to lower your premium? Here are a few tips. 1. Bundle your auto insurance with home or renter's insurance. 2. Maintain a clean driving record. 3. Ask for discounts for safe driving, good credit, or anti-theft devices. 4. Compare quotes from multiple insurance companies before buying. Auto insurance doesn't have to be confusing. Now you know the basics, the coverage types, and how to save money on your policy. Subscribe to the Coverage Counsel for more insurance tips, legal insights, and coverage guides every week.